I was born near this old dirt farm, where the sun sets free and wide. Worked my hands to the bone each day, with nothing but my pride. Back then socialism crept like weeds in the cornfield slow, a whisper in the wind, taking bits of what we know. But now it's roaring fierce and bold, with woke flags flying high, calling billionaires the devil, screaming, eat the rich and die. Oh, why is it so concerning, this red tide rising high? It'll choke the freedom from our land, make the eagle forget to fly. From creeping in the shadows to a flood we can't outrun, it'll steal our hard-earned dreams, leave us begging in the sun. They promise we'll all do better, spread the wealth around so fair, but start with 5% of yours, then brother, you're next in their chair. They say private property's a crime built on theft and white man's sin. Point to Venezuela's hunger, Cuba's chains, Zimbabwe's end. Factories seized, farms turned dust, folks flee or starve in line. Innovation dies when rewards get spread too thin every time. Capital runs across the border, jobs vanish in the night, leaving empty towns and broken homes. It just ain't right. Used to be a slow old snake slithering through the grass so sly, promising equality for all, but it's just a pretty lie. Now the far left walkies holler, tearing down what dealt this land, attacking wealth creators, calling success a crime so grand. They're nationalize your business, put chains on every dream, while bureaucrats grow fat and rich, crushing you at the seam. Oh, why is it so concerning, this red tide rising high? It'll choke the freedom from our land, make the eagle forget to fly. From creeping in the shadows to a flood we can't outrun, it'll steal our hard-earned dreams, leave us begging in the sun. Big government's grabbing hold, taxing every dime we make, turning brothers against brothers, for heaven's sake. Hear me say, son, guard your liberty tight, 'cause once they call you home a crime, it's a home, dark night. Authoritarian shouts now, dividing us with hate, promises of utopia, but just seals our fate. Our Constitution's standing tall, but they're shifting it away. If we don't wake up and holler, we'll lose what's yours and mine today. From creeping to aggressive, like wildfire in the pine, this old country boy's a warning before we say goodbye.